Hey everybody! What's up? I'm back here with another video! Wow, okay. I'm sorry I haven't been posting lately on my channel, but this video is going to be a fun video. So, grab some popcorn, grab a drink, sit in your bed, couch, whatever. This is going to be a long video. So yeah. Okay guys, so we're into the video. So this is gonna be like a week of my life. There's gonna be some days I'm gonna like skip because like if I'm super busy and stuff. But today I'm not gonna film that much because I'm not really doing anything, so I'm gonna film like when I'm doing stuff fun. So I might film tonight before I go to bed. And tomorrow and stuff like that. So yes, I'm back. I'm so sorry I forgot to film. And today is Wednesday, so I forgot to film a bunch of days. But I'm going to film today, I think. But I'm filming it now, so if I do something today, I film it. So yeah, bye. See you soon or whatever. Bye. Hey guys, it's the next day because I totally forgot I had church yesterday. I totally forgot I had church yesterday. So it's the next day, but I promise I'll be filming today. So yeah. I'll see you later. Guys, I'm actually filming on the same day again. I am at my grandma's right now because they're moving to Tennessee and I'm bored, so I'm just gonna ride my hoverboard. So yeah. Ride in my hoverboard. It's actually so nice outside right now. Y'all, I haven't even gone back to school yet. I'm sorry. I had to pause that because there was this boy or whatever. He was riding my bike, or not riding my bicycle. He was riding his bicycle. Came up on the side of me. I didn't know he was there, and then he scared me so bad. And then I paused it because my heart, like I was shaking. Like, eh. Here's the thesis. I haven't even gone back to school. And all my friends have gone back to school already. Like, I'm the only one that hasn't gone back to school yet. Comment down below if you haven't been back to school yet, because I haven't. I have not been back to school yet. I start next week. On Tuesday after Labor Day. So, yeah. I mean, I'm kind of scared because I'm going to a new school and all that fun stuff. But yeah. What's up? I'm just really bored. I'm just really bored. Okay, so it is the next day. I just made myself some eggs and I came back from a walk. I went on a walk, an early morning walk. My hair's messy, I know. But yeah, I didn't eat anything, so I'm just eating, so see you guys when I'm done. So I'm actually making another thing of eggs right now. Ooh. But yeah, I'm making some eggs right now. Just scrambling them. add some salt and some pepper. And then keep scrambling. I'm just eating them. Guys, so right now, yeah, it's the same day. I just changed, got ready and stuff. But, I'm going to Costco, so yeah, I'll film while I'm there. I probably won't film much, but I'll see you when we get there. Hey guys, I'm at Costco, and my mom's looking at flowers, so I'm looking at MacBooks because I'm gonna save up for a MacBook. This is the MacBook I'm gonna save up for. Yeah. Guys, so it is the next day, and today is probably going to be the last day that I'm filming. But today I'm actually doing something fun. I'm going to the state fair today. I'm going with my friend. But yeah, right now, cause my dad's gonna pick me up, and I'm just trying to get into the garage cause, I'm trying to sell my desk, and somebody wants to know how, like, what the measure is. So me and my mom are gonna be measuring that right now. But I mean, I'll probably see you in the car on the way there, or I'll see you at the state fair. But either way, I'll see you later. So yeah. Hey guys, so I didn't film yesterday. I know. I apologize. My phone was dead. I went to the state fair, yes, but today I'm going to freaking move. Yeah. So I will film today. Yeah. Yeah, I'll film today. Since we missed yesterday, but I was gonna film anyway because I'm going to freaking move. I'm making eggs again. You know, just trying to stay healthy. I love making eggs. They're so delicious. Let me add some salt. Then let me add some pepper. Why is this not coming out barely? Alright, there, that's fine. And then let me take this and make some eggs. Is this high enough? Yeah, it's on medium, okay. Are you gonna cook? Oh, there it goes. See it right there? I just have to keep mixing it around. Oops. So they're almost done, kind of. They're still a little, like, wet, you know, but I have to just keep mixing them around. So yeah, kids, I guess this is like a baking video now, how to make eggs on the stove without your parents. Because my mom isn't here right now. Well, she is, but like, she's not in the house. But she knows I'm making eggs, so yeah. Hot surface. Don't try this at home. Gotta have a brownie. Also, gotta have some orange juice with my morning breakfast.
Pretzel.
Matt Frankenmuth now, and I'm just eating at a restaurant, and right now I'm having an appetizer. So yeah, and just eating guys. Oh, and oops, I'm so weird. So cold. I'm about to eat a soft pretzel. I love soft pretzels. They're literally so good, and I'm just dipping them into nacho cheese. My mom was asking me to try this mustard kind, and I didn't want to try it, but guess what happened? I'm not gonna try that one. That one looks gross.
Definitely not.
I'll try it. So guess what happened? I end up trying the mustard kind, and here's my reaction. I'm about to eat it. I had the worst reaction ever. Oh my gosh. It was horrible though. I just got fudge. So it got really hot, and then I ended up drinking a Gatorade sitting down. And then, yeah, I'm just drinking a Gatorade right now, and people are watching me, so I was acting like it was a recording. And I just left Frankenmuth now. We're at the gas station. That much, but I just got some McDonald's and ate. It's literally 1 o'clock. I'm gonna end this video right now. Like, subscribe, so you never miss a video I ever post. So yeah, I love you guys. This is the end of the video. I'm sorry. I'm so tired. Alright, I love you guys. Bye.